Meaning of elusively.
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 Elusively. The term elusively refers to something that is difficult or impossible to grasp or comprehend, often due to its elusive or intangible nature. It can describe an abstract concept or a physical object that is difficult to perceive or understand. The term suggests a sense of slipperiness or evasiveness, as if the object or concept is always just out of reach. Overall, elusively conveys a sense of frustration or bewilderment, as one tries but struggles to fully comprehend or capture the essence of the thing being described.